Good morning. I thought I'd tell you about how I'm going with my sock manufacturer. So it's just the dog at the door. Firstly, how good is this light? I don't even have like a ring thing because it's summer and my office, the light comes straight through the window and my desk. I have a desk at the, I live at the end of a cul-de-sac and my desk is facing the street. So I'm a bit like I'm like a neighborhood watch, but I have a big bush, so I can't see everything that goes on. Anyway, manufacturing. So what I really want to do is manufacture in Australia. I live in Australia. It's safe. I feel safe. I feel like they're just over there. I can speak to them, or I don't have to pay big freight costs. It just feels like a really safe option, which is fine, but at the same time you pay for the safe option. Obviously I don't want to shortchange anyone, but the pricing I've been given so far is the same pricing I used to get my Happy Socks wholesale, which means that if I was to do it, I wouldn't be able to offer wholesale. I guess it depends on the price point we go for. So, but to be fair, they have a minimum, which is good. It means that I can just get a few, like the minimum is 60. So I can just get a few made and see how they go. I like that. There's no pressure to buy hundreds of thousands, or just 1,000. It's normally a minimum. One of the factories is here in Victoria, so maybe I can even go and pick them up. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's too soon for me to even begin to think about negotiating a price. I think, I don't actually have my designs properly yet or anything like that. I haven't seen them. But the good thing about these companies is they both, well, at least one offers a sample. Samples is good because you can see how the colors go. What else? You can see how the colors go, you can see the texture, the feel. Maybe we can make some amendments. I'd like that. I'd rather spend the money on samples and see how they are, especially as a complete sock novice as I am. So I'm gonna go try that. One of them has sent me a sock template, which is cool. I sent that over to my graphic designer, Tisha. The other one doesn't have a sock template, which is kind of strange as a sock manufacturer, so I find that a little bit alarming. I'm a bit bummed by that. Just strange. Anyway, I reached out to some people in my Facebook business groups that I'm in because more knowledge is better, if you ask me, and people's experience, and people like to share their experience. So I reached out, and there's a beautiful lady called Nick, and she's created a business called Dot on a Sock, which I love because if you've got a few children and you have all these different socks, it's hard to see whose sock belongs to who and what age. So she's put dots on the socks. So for different color, different ages or different sizes. So if you've got like a 5-year-old and a 10-year-old and a 15-year-old, you can see quickly which color belongs to which child. She's amazing, and she sent me her contact in India. So I'm going to investigate that option. I've also got a contact in Turkey. I'm going to I've contacted them. I'm going to investigate that option too. I think it's nice to have backups and just see how the products come across, how soft they are, what their procedure's like. I think it's just nice to have an overall working knowledge of how everybody works and the type of sock they can make and the quality. And then maybe I can make a decision at the end of reaching out to everybody with my designs. I know the one in Turkey for now. I know that they don't do samples, but I think they do stock socks in Australia, so I'm just going to order a bunch of those and see what they're like. I don't want hard socks. I don't want tight socks. I want nice, soft, just nice socks actually. So that's where I am at today. I'm gonna send I wanted to show you something for a laugh. I mean, poor Tisha, how she manages to decipher what I want. But these are my sock designs. What do you think? Pretty average. Yep. But my graphic designer is a whiz, so these will be perfect. And I'm looking forward to at least having them pretty to show you what she's created, and then sending them off for the samples. And sending them off for the samples is about 4-week turnaround, so then I just have to sit tight and wait. Although actually in the meantime I'll have tags made, so And that's another thing, like each factory does different things. Like some make their tags in-house, some don't. So yeah, there's a little bit to it, but that's okay. It's all good fun and I love it. So